So this is the Data Obsessed Fat Man, and as I realized I did not put on the nutritional data. I don't remember the exact measurements. You can see there I measured the cacao butter. The camera isn't as focused as I thought it was. So you can't see anything on the scale. You see here, I am making a fat bomb. It's what you consider it to basically be keto candy. Keto candy is one way of doing it. It's like, oh, this is candy that you can eat, not exactly to your heart's content, but enough to satisfy you. Is healthy for you, or rather, it's meant to help you get into a deeper state of ketosis. So you take a bit of this, and based on all the ingredients that are in here, it helps you kickstart your body into the state of ketosis. So it's not perfect. If you eat way too much of this, I believe 6 or 7 pieces of this would be too much. I mean, 6 pieces of this is equal to 1 cup of my coffee with just a little bit extra, fats and oils added to it. So I would keep it to maybe about 4 to 5 pieces per day. The coffee is either I'm using instant coffee, but I'm not using the brand that's in my glass container. I'm actually using Waka. I order from Amazon. It's pretty good. And another, instant coffee container, I put, that probably is the chicken in it. In addition to the, cacao butter that you've seen already, how the coconut butter. There's a lot of coconut stuff. Coconut butter does not need to be kept in the fridge. It has the consistency of butter when melted. It tastes pretty good. It's nice and creamy. Of course, it's just like heavy cream powder. I prefer to keep that because it's actually heavy cream because it lasts much longer in the fridge. I don't use heavy cream enough to actually get through a bottle in time without wasting it. And yes, there's coconut oil to go there and the coconut butter. So the thing about this is there's a lot of fats in there, there's sweets, and there are prebiotics in it. So the stevia that was put in there, that is a prebiotic. It's a fiber that your probiotics feed on that they really love. It helps your beneficial gut flora, multiply and live better, basically be healthy. So that offers a great effect, and it's due to the inulin that's in stevia. But there's also inulin in the chicory I placed in there as well. Now those monk fruit drops I placed in there, that is a sweetener, as well as the erythritol that I put in earlier is also a sweetener, as well as the stevia. So there's 3 different sets of sweeteners in here. And it actually came up, it's not super sweet, but it is very, very nice. I mean, this comes out tasting like a ton of chocolate mixed in with coffee, which is basically what it is. Yeah. And as you see here, I was starting to get cocky. Basically, I was being stupid. See, I put in walnuts and pecans before any chocolates I made. I decided to do the pumpkin seeds this time, but I crushed them. I pretty much demolished them in a separate container, and then added them to the chocolate afterwards. I decided to put it in this time in a smaller, double bowl that I'm using. Because normally I use the bigger bowl for measuring inside the pot, but I was like, let me buy a special tool. And while it's really nice for pouring, it is not great for mixing smaller amounts in here. And I was surprised I was able to do as much as I did before I started to mess up the seeds there, which is looking in here. So I got lopsided chocolates. But once again, that is due to me becoming stupid. That is due to me becoming cocky. Like, oh, I was able to mix everything, like the seeds. So now on one side of my chocolates, they are very heavy in the pumpkin seeds that were not crushed, which is like over 85%. See, I mean, it still turns out well, so a lot of these don't have pumpkin seeds in them, some of them do. It was just something I was trying out. I won't be stupid next time, I'll do it right. And see, I'm going to eat 3 pieces. Pretty good, I like them. Very chocolatey with a nice coffee taste to them. I really grinded up the coffee well this time, so it fits in a lot better versus having chunks just burst in my mouth.
Aha! I figured it out. I went and checked the original footage, and that's 135 grams for the cacao butter. Boom! Got it. There's your recipe right there on the screen. So this has changed. That hive has 37 pieces on it. This is it, y'all. That's the full recipe. And this is the individual piece. That's a lot. Thank you all for being patient with my shenanigans. May God bless you all. Have a great night.